The perimeter of a trapezium is 68 centimeter and its non-parallel sides are equal to 12 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. So solution will be, perimeter is given, it is 68 centimeter. The perimeter is 68 centimeter. So AB plus BC plus CD plus AD will be equal to 68 centimeter. Now it has been given, this side is 12, this is also 12. So 12 plus B plus 12 plus A is equal to 68 centimeter. So 12 plus 12 is 24 plus B plus C is equal to 68 centimeter. Now B plus A is equal to 68 minus 24. Finally B plus A is 44. So sum of parallel side is 44 centimeter. And as we know that area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into h. So we have calculated this, we will apply the value in this formula. It is half into 44 into 4 which is given. Final answer is 88 centimeter square. So this is the area of the trapezium, it is our answer.